Sink your hips back onto your heels, knees mat distance. Walking down into a child's pose. Relax your forehead down onto the mat. Extending your arms out long overhead. Letting the tension go. One more big breath in here. And big breath out. Inhale to press into the palms. Exhale, tuck your chin to your chest. Begin to walk your hands back towards your knees, rolling up slow and gentle. We'll come forward onto hands and knees now for a couple of cat-cow breaths. Inhale, chin comes up, belly drops down. Exhale, tuck the chin to the chest. Inhaling, cow pose. Exhale, cat back. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Inhale back to neutral spine. Planting down through your left hand. Lift your right hand off the mat. And we're going to slide that hand through between the left wrist and the left knee. Threading through, setting down on our right shoulder. Hips stay right over top of the knees. And then walking that left hand up towards the top of our mat. Opening the left shoulder back. Softening into our threaded needle. Allowing the chest and the upper back to stretch. Relaxing the shoulders. Settling our right shoulder and our right temple onto the mat. Letting go. Last big breath in. Full breath out. Slide your left hand back in front of your face. Press into the hand, de-thread that right arm. Come back to your tabletop 4-point kneeling. And we'll come to the other side. Planting through your right hand. Slide that left wrist through. Coming down onto the right shoulder. The left shoulder and the left temple. Walking your right hand up overhead. Opening the right shoulder back. Softening through the upper body. Stretching out the chest, shoulder. Opening up the shoulder blade. Just letting that tension go. Last big breath in. Full breath out. Slide the right hand back in front of the face. Press into that right hand. De-thread. Coming back into your tabletop. Deep breath in. On the exhale, step your right foot forward between your hands. Settle down. Bringing that left hip down towards the earth. Right knee is right over top of the ankle. Stretching through the front of the hip here. Letting that tension release. All the sitting we do. Slow, gentle breath. Inhale. On the exhale, sliding back, sinking your left hip over top of the knee. And we're just going to slide this right leg back so that it can bend 90 degrees. Both knees are bent 90 degrees. Taking our right hand to our right knee. Inhale, the left hand comes up to the sky. Exhale, we'll side bend over to the right. Relaxing our forearm down onto our right quad. Just opening up through the QL, the low back, over the flank. One more big breath in. Let it go. Inhale, reaching up to the sky. Exhale, release your left hand down. Come to frame the foot with the hands. Untuck that right leg. And we'll wag the dog. Inhale to center. Exhale, turning to the left. Look at your left toes. Reach the hip towards the shoulder. Inhale to center. Exhale, turning to the right. Look at your right baby toe. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. And exhale to the right. Coming back to the center, big breath in. Exhale, this time stepping the left foot forward between the hands. Bending the knee 90 degrees. The knee is right over top of the ankle. Sliding that right leg back. Softening through the front of the hip. Melting the right hip flexor towards the earth. Letting go with every exhale. We're here for 2 more breaths. Inhaling, straightening out the left leg, send the right hip back over the knee, then slowly wiggle that left foot back. Coming into your 90-90 lunge, lifting the upper body up. Settling our left hand on our left thigh, right hand reaches, inhale up. Exhale, side bending to the left, allowing the left forearm to rest on the left quad. Looking under our right arm. QL stretch. Last full breath. Inhaling, reaching up to the sky. Exhale, release that right hand down. Frame the foot with the hands. Untouch that left leg. And we'll come to lay down on our spine. Nice and gentle. Make your way there slowly. No need to rush. We'll all meet on our backs. Inhaling, stretching that right foot up to the sky. Exhale, cross the ankle to the knee. Flexing the toes back towards the knee. Deep breath in. On the exhale, slide the hands through, take hold of the back side of the left thigh. Bringing the knee in towards the chest. Any amount that feels good. And just relax the left heel. Let it settle down towards the floor. No tension in the left leg. Just slowly opening through the right knee. Surrendering a little deeper with every exhale. Inhale. Exhale, release the left foot back to the floor. Take your arms wide in a cactus or goalpost shape. Elbows in line with the shoulders, palms face up to the sky. Deep breath in. Exhale, twisting to the left, bring your right sole of foot down to the floor. Open the right knee up towards the sky. An option to turn the head to the right, looking away from your knees. Settle through the left hip. Let any tension go, any holding in that left glute. Just sinking down. Opening deeply in the outside of the right leg. The IT band. One more full breath in. And full breath out. Inhaling the head back to center. Exhaling, bringing the knees back up, uncross, plant your feet. Taking your hands back down by your sides, just windshield wiper the knees side to side a couple of times. Coming back to stillness. Inhale, stretching the left leg up to the sky. Exhale, crossing the ankle to the right knee, flexing the left toes back. Inhale. Exhale, thread your hands through, take a hold of the back of the right thigh. Bring the right knee in towards the chest, any amount that feels comfortable. Opening up through the outside of the left hip, deep into the glute. Relaxing the right leg completely. Surrendering a little more with every breath. Inhaling deeply, exhaling completely. Inhale. Exhale, release your right foot back to the floor. Take your arms up in that cactus shape. Deep breath in. Exhale, turning to the right. Release your left sole of foot down to the floor. Open the knee up towards the sky. Again, if you did on the other side, just turning the head to the left, looking away from your knees. And let any tension go in that right glute. Let it just be soft on the earth. Settling down. Last big breath in. Inhaling the head back up to center. Exhaling to return the knees back to the sky. Uncross. Take your hands down by your sides and windshield wiper the knees just a couple of times. Extending the legs out long for our final Shavasana. Turn your palms up to the sky. Relax your shoulders. Allow the legs to drop open. Closing down the eyes for our last few breaths. Allowing the body to relax completely. Melting into the earth. Letting go any remaining tension. Filling the belly deeply and surrendering to the earth. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, inviting gentle movements into the body, maybe tilting the head a little side to side, circling the wrists and the ankles, and taking a great big stretch overhead, reaching long, like waking from the best night's sleep. Making your way onto one side, pressing up gently to a seat, slow and steady, no rush. Circling the arms, deep breath in. Exhaling the hands down through center. Thank you so much for joining me today. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Blessed be.